In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Big Cartel theme in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to add a personal touch to your online store, this guide will help you transform your shop's appearance effortlessly. To kick things off, open up your chosen web browser and type in Big Cartel to find the official website. Once you're there, log into your account to gain access to your storefront. Now that you're inside, head over to the Design section. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be spending most of your time here when customizing your theme. Browse through the available theme options Big Cartel offers, and don't worry, you've got plenty to choose from. If one catches your eye, go ahead and select it. However, if you already have a theme and just want to tweak it a bit, then feel free to customize the existing one. Both pathways offer you a suite of tools to really make your store stand out. Once you've got your theme selected, it's time to dive into the customization settings. Big Cartel gives you the ability to modify various elements of your theme. Dive into settings for images, colors, fonts, and layout. Take your time to play around with different combinations until everything looks exactly how you envision it. Remember, a consistent color palette and font choice can really elevate your brand and give your store a professional look. If you're someone who loves getting into the nitty-gritty details, you'll appreciate the ability to access and modify the HTML and CSS code of your theme. This is where you can make more in-depth changes and implement more specific design elements that aren't available by default in the customization settings. But if coding isn't your thing, don't worry. It's entirely optional. Now, if you're looking to integrate other services or features into your online shop, you can add custom code to make that happen. Whether it's analytical tools, newsletters, or chat support, ensuring a seamless integration with your existing theme can enhance your customer's experience. Don't forget to save your changes as you go. The last thing you want is to lose all your hard work because of a missed click or an unexpected error. After you've made all your changes and the theme looks just right, take a moment to review everything. Once you're absolutely satisfied, it's time for the final step: publishing your updated theme. By doing so, you'll make all your beautiful customizations live on your site, ready for your customers to enjoy. And there you have it. A customized Big Cartel theme that's uniquely yours in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.